Okay, so here we are on the brand new Star Princess. We're going to show you our cabin.
If you get close to it, hey, it thinks you're not me, but
We're the same entity. It's fine.
Yeah.
So this is cabin 12219. Is towards the forward of the ship. It is an inside cabin. Now, as you can see, we have a big, comfortable bed with nightstand on either side. There is a bunch of plugs in this cabin.
let's check out the plug situation so everybody can see. It smells so brand new in here. We've got regular United States, you've got USB-A, USB-C. Here is the remote for the TV. This nightstand, we've got a drawer here and a little shelf. Looks like a little light here
Little
that
reading light.
pops out so you can read at nighttime if you want. Moving over to the other side, I assume it's going to be much the same over
Yeah,
here.
it's going to be the same thing over there.
Oh. Yeah, here we are. I like the fact that it's modern enough to have USB-A and USB-C. There's the bed again. We look over here and we have a large television here. So you can sleep to the TV. That's what we do.
That's what we always do.
And there's a little bench underneath with a pillow to put your stuff on or sit on or whatever.
And here you got your little desk / makeup area. I think, does this light? Oh, yes, it does. So you can sit there like, oh, God, I've aged so horribly. And you got some drawers here. You also have 2 more American plugs, 2 more USB-A and 2 USB-C. You have another American plug over here and 2 European plugs.
Yep.
Which, if you have the adapters like we do, because we're in Europe and we just came from Germany, you can plug those in and have even more places to plug things in, because if you're like us, you've got phones, you've got watches, you got iPads, you've got all this crap, and they've given you plenty of places to plug it in.
Here, oh, it looks like a hairdryer.
Hairdryer. And we have the mini bath. Let's check it out. Ooh.
Look at that.
There's some Coronas in there, and Coke, and Sprite, and water, Mick Ultra, some sparkling tequila.
And that's all for pay unless you're the elite status with Princess. Don't be drinking that.
I just wanted to see if it was cold.
Is it cold? Well, normally those are just coolers, not real refrigerators anyway.
They probably just stocked that anyway,
Mm-hmm.
because
We got in here very early. Unlike most of the cruises we've been on, it's what, 11:30?
yeah, and our room was ready. Our luggage hasn't made it up here yet, but the cabin was ready. And here you got a nice full-size mirror so you can check yourself out.
Mm-hmm. And here we have the thermostat. I don't know what this does. This must be the sensor. I don't know. Let's go to the bathroom.
Let's go in the bathroom.
Okay. You go in and then I'll come behind you. Don't use it while you're in there.
I demand some privacy.
Oh my. Okay, so look, this is actually a really good sized shower for an inside cabin. We got shampoo and conditioner and body wash. That's something you normally don't see. It smells so good in here. I keep saying that.
Yeah, everything's brand new. Got a nice sink and
Let's see what we got over here. What kind of hand
body lotion and hand wash.
tissues here and your cruise ship toilet, which everything has. Get in there and see and show everybody. You're 6 feet tall. How does a 6 foot tall guy fit in the shower in the inside cabin? Oop, there's me.
I fit, and I have room for activities.
Yeah, it's pretty tall too.
And a door, not a curtain.
That's important. A door. And down here you have a little foot thing for ladies or guys if you want to shave your legs. That, it's your choice. And the clothesline up here. brand new. There's me again. Hello. So yeah, there's that. Let's go check out the other storage.
And it looks like there's also, you also have a power outlet in here. Yeah.
What is this? Yeah.
And the way that's made, I think that might be specifically for the hairdryer.
Yeah, probably.
Because it's got kind of a different setup, but also very cool.
Let's check out the storage.
In here, we have some nice shelving and everything. Here's our backpacks that we already threw in here.
There's for laundry. You can get your laundry done. And here's our backpack. And you've got a shelf down here. It's like 3 shelves here. It's very big. You can you can fit yourself in
You
here.
can fit a body in there.
Yeah. Whether it be alive or, you know. What's that face?
Well, you know, if you want to be part of a documentary. And let's see, up here we have another little storage area with our life jackets and a safe.
Yeah, I was looking for the safe earlier. There's another.
More shelves.
Lots and lots of storage
Yes.
for an inside cabin.
Actually very spacious for an inside cabin. I think this was about the same size as our yacht club inside cabin on the MSC Seashore. And on the Star Princess, this is just a regular inside cabin. And it's very nice, it's very spacious. Some people don't prefer an inside cabin, but us,
We're never in our cabin.
we're in here to sleep and shower. And it gets us on the ship and gets us to enjoy all the things.
Yes.
So
Let's us spin around here. One last look.
so this is our crib
This is our crib on MTV Cribs.
for the next 7 days. So now we're going to go to the bar and get a drink because it's been a long morning already.
Very. It's been a long several days.
Yeah, which we will have videos coming up about Munich and everything. Had an awesome time, but
We planned on doing more, but it was so jet lagged and everything else.
as we normally do, we pack a lot of activities into a small period of time, and we need kind of I'm glad, you know, today's sail away and tomorrow's a sea day. That way we can recharge our batteries a little bit. But I'm thirsty, and until next time, respect others, respect yourself, don't be a Debbie. Bye.